primary colors. Let's paint. Hi, kids. Today we're doing a painting of a giraffe. Let's have some fun. God is our creator. He lives in his kingdom up in heaven, and he wants you to know that there is no other God beside him. Genesis chapter 1, verses 20 to 25. And God said, "Let the waters bring forth abundantly the moving creature that hath life, and fowl that may fly above the earth in the open firmament of heaven. And God created great whales, and every living creature that moveth, which the waters brought forth abundantly, after their kind, and every winged fowl after his kind. And God saw that it was good. And God blessed them, saying, Be fruitful, and multiply, and fill the waters in the seas, and let fowl multiply in the earth. And the evening and the morning were the fifth day. And God said, Let the earth bring forth the living creature after his kind, cattle, and creeping thing, and beast of the earth after his kind. And it was so. And God made the beast of the earth after his kind, and cattle after their kind, and everything that creepeth upon the earth after his kind. And God saw that it was good. A giraffe is the tallest animal in the world. They live in Africa, and are known for their super long necks and legs. Imagine if you could look over the top of a tree. That's what a giraffe can do every day. How tall are they? Giraffes can grow up to 18 feet tall. Just their legs alone can be around 6 feet long, which is taller than many adults. Their long necks help them reach the leaves at the very tops of trees that other animals can't get to. Giraffes love to eat leaves, especially from a tree called the acacia tree. They use their long necks to reach the high branches, and they have a special long blue tongue, about 18 inches long, that helps them grab the leaves. Giraffes have beautiful spots all over their bodies. These spots aren't just for looks. They help giraffes blend into their surroundings, which keeps them safe from predators like lions. Each giraffe's spot pattern is unique, just like how no two people's fingerprints are the same. Giraffes live in groups called towers. A tower of giraffes usually has around 10 to 20 members, and they like to stick together to protect each other from danger. Baby giraffes, called calves, are about 6 feet tall when they're born and can stand up and walk within just a few hours. Giraffes don't sleep much. Only about 30 minutes to 2 hours a day. They often sleep standing up, but sometimes they'll sit down and curl their necks around to rest their heads on their backs. Fun facts about giraffes. A giraffe's heart is very strong and weighs about 25 pounds. It needs to be strong to pump blood all the way up to the giraffe's head. Giraffes only need to drink water every few days. They get most of their water from the plants they eat. When giraffes bend down to drink, they have to spread their legs far apart to reach the water. Giraffes are amazing, gentle giants that play an important role in the wild. Next time you see a giraffe, remember how God made them and how important it is to protect them and their homes.